let me give you some distinctions. The 2-beat weave is so named because if you look at what happens with the poi, it makes a beat and a beat, a beat and a beat. Or if you look at just one side, what happens is it's going to be the right poi, right on bottom, left on bottom, right on bottom, left on bottom, right on bottom, left on bottom, right on bottom. So that's the left, that's the right. So there's 2 beats that happen with the 2-beat weave. There's also 2 versions of them in each direction. So this is with the right hand on bottom, and then this is with the left hand on bottom. It's still 2 counts on each side of the body, but the orientation of the hands is this way versus this way. And of course, you could do it in underhands like this, or underhand like this. And then you can even do it in opposite direction, where your right hand is on top, where your right hand is overhand and your left is under, with your left on top, or the other way, with the right hand on top, doing that same direction. And then you could do the other direction as well. So the 3-beat weave, what is different about that is with the 3-beat weave, if you look on this side, it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm calling out when the poi hits the bottom of the turn. So 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. And what you're doing is you're combining the 2-beat weaves and putting another, and you're transitioning between them, right? So this is the right on bottom, and then this is the left on bottom, and then I switch the one hand from the bottom, switch the other hand from the bottom, so that you're changing which hand is on top continuously. So if the secret of the move is you take the bottom hand, bring it home and go over. That's overhand. Take the bottom hand, bring it home and go over. Take the bottom hand home and over, bottom hand home and over, bottom hand home and over, and then you leave the other hand there for 2 counts. So you have to remember, while the hand is coming from the bottom over the top, the other hand continues to spin on its opposite side. The same thing is true with the underhand 3-beat weave, right? So just like with the overhand 3-beat, you do the pattern and you take the bottom hand home and cross it over. With underhand, you take the top hand home and cross under, top hand home and under, top hand home and under, top hand home and under. The 2-beat weave is its own move. It gets that way where people will diminish the 2-beat weave once they know the 3-beat weave, because they're like, oh, well, you know, the right way is the 3-beat. But I think it's a different choice for a different aesthetic and a different experience.